Good morning students. In the previous class I told you about arteries and veins. Arteries are the blood vessels which carry blood away from the heart and veins are the blood vessels which carry blood towards the heart. But the question and in the differences we have already discussed that arteries carries oxygenated blood and veins carries deoxygenated blood. But there we have studied the exception also, pulmonary artery and pulmonary vein. Now the question arises, why although pulmonary artery carries deoxygenated blood, why it is called artery? Okay, this is a very simple question and but you have to simply apply the logic. In the previous video I told you arteries are the blood vessels which carry blood away from the heart. A for artery, A for away. In the pulmonary artery, what is happening? The blood from the right ventricle is sent to the lungs. That is, from the heart, the blood is moving towards the lung. So, pulmonary artery is carrying blood towards the lung. It is carrying away from the heart to the lungs. So, although it is carrying deoxygenated blood, that hardly matters. Since it is carrying the blood away from the heart, so it becomes artery. Because arteries are what? They are the blood vessels which carry blood away from the heart. So don't get confused. It is carrying deoxygenated blood, so it should be a vein. No, it is not a vein. Why it is not a vein? Why it is an artery? Because it is carrying blood from the heart to the lungs. And vice versa in the case of pulmonary vein. Pulmonary veins are the blood vessels which are carrying the blood from the lungs towards the heart. That is right atrium. So they are carrying the blood from the lungs towards the heart. So and what are blood vessels which are carrying blood towards the heart? These are the blood vessels. These are veins, because veins are the blood vessels which carry blood towards the heart. So since pulmonary artery is carrying the blood from the lungs towards the heart, so they will be veins. So this is the reasons why pulmonary artery and pulmonary veins are exceptions. Because pulmonary artery, although it is carrying deoxygenated blood, but since it is sending the blood towards the lungs, it is moving the blood from the heart towards the lungs, so it becomes an artery. Although pulmonary vein carries oxygenated blood, but since it is carrying the blood towards the heart, from the lungs it is coming towards the heart, so it becomes vein. Thank you.